Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today you're gonna design another poster with me. Today is daily design day 411. This means that I've been designing a poster a day for 411 days straight. Yes, crazy. I was thinking I wanted to do a video with this with some text as well, and we're gonna do it entirely in Photoshop, so I'll bring you along with me. Let's start. Now, first off, I'm going to go to Window and open up my timeline over here, and then I'll import my video. So this is the video. I'm going to resize it, and now I'm going to edit the colors quite a bit because I want the mood to be a lot more dark. So I'm going to add a curves adjustment and just play around. Something kind of like this could work. I'll move on to the text, which is slow down. I'm going to add more distancing over here, center the text. I'm then going to double click, deselect two of the channels, just leaving the red selected. I'll duplicate my text and select my blue channel. I'll duplicate again and just select the green one. Now I can move with the arrow keys and we'll get this pretty cool effect. Depending on which layer you move, you're gonna get different color combinations. Pretty cool. I'm going to then group all three, duplicate, merge, and we're going to go to filter, liquify, and we're gonna liquify this quite a bit and make it go all the way to the edge. Like this, not too much. And we're already looking pretty cool, I think. I'm just gonna double click and see what it looks like if I deselect some more colors. This is cool, I had no idea. So I'm gonna try different color combinations. I kinda liked this one. Anyways, I want the colors kind of to match the text, the colors of the video. And I want it to be less crisp. So I'm gonna go to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur, and I'm gonna add quite a bit of blur to this. And then I'll select both my layers, group, duplicate, right click, convert to smart object. As long as you keep your video in a smart object, your video will still be a video, which is really cool because you can make so many edits to the video directly in Photoshop. I love this feature. Anyways, I'm going to add a gradient map, gray. This kind of looks cool, I think. Now what I'm gonna do is duplicate the whole layer, right click, convert to smart object so that this is still a video. And now I'm going to add a bunch of noise because why not? I love noise. And then I'll add my textures. Pretty cool. All you have to do to export is just click here on this little arrow at the bottom, select the folder you want. I'm gonna go with desktop, daily design, 411, high quality. Then you're gonna go with document size, frame rate is 30 frames per second, and then just render it. Like, how cool is this? Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you like my content. Give this video a like. Also, if you have some other tutorial suggestions, feel free to comment them down below. I'll leave in the description all my links to my gradient map packs and my texture packs. And I've got some mock-ups on there as well. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple days. Bye.